Hello? 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 Sir, you're muted. Hello, I can't hear you, sir. Sir, you're muted.
Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the class. Is my voice
Hello,
audible to all?
sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. So, is my voice audible to all of you?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So, do you remember what we have studied in the previous class?
sir, I don't know what you did in the previous class because I just enrolled for learning room after the first class.
Okay, no problem. So, actually, we have gone through the basics of this. What is actually chemistry? What are atoms? What are molecules? And then we were studying the valency. So, do you have the
Okay.
concept of valency?
Yes, sir.
What is valency? So, can you define?
Uh, okay, I don't know the definition.
Okay, no problem. So let me just tell you. So is this whiteboard visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So we were discussing what is actually this valency, right? It is also either you can write this VALENCY or you can also write it as VALENC. Both are correct. So I told in the previous class that this valency, it is simply the combining capacity of an element, right? Combining capacity of an element, right?
So it was the number of oxygen atoms present in the compound.
It is the double the number of oxygen atoms. I have already told in the previous class. Yes, it is the number of hydrogen atoms or the number of halogen atoms or the number of double the number of oxygen atoms. So I will write it here that it is number of hydrogen atoms, right? Or you can say number of halogen atoms. And I have already told you that halogen atoms, they are your group 17 elements, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, nothing, sir.
Okay, any doubt, any question, you can tell me. So is anybody having any doubt or any question in this definition
No, sir.
regarding? Yeah,
No,
okay,
sir.
tell me.
No, sir, I don't
So,
know.
actually, in the learning room,
Yeah, yeah.
so
Yeah, tell
in the
me.
learning room app, you have sent a worksheet, and when I saw it, it carried few marks, sir. So, where do those marks apply?
Which marks?
Like when I saw the worksheet, for the
Mhm.
first question there was like 2 or 3 marks. For the second question there was like 1 or 2 marks, like that.
Yeah, yeah. So that is actually the
Like,
test which you have to face after taking the class. When you will study some topic, after that you have to give that test accordingly. Right?
yes, sir.
Okay, so I told that valency is the number of hydrogen atoms, or you can say the number of halogen atoms. So halogen atoms, I told that, and they can be fluorine, it can be chlorine, similarly bromine, similarly iodine, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is halogen again?
Okay, I will tell you. These elements are known as halogens. They are actually your group 17 elements. And halogen, actually, it is derived from a Greek word. Halo means salt, salt forming. Gen means generator, generating. So salt generating elements, or you can simply say salt forming elements. So they form just as the salt.
Yes.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just we are having the common salt like NaCl, sodium chloride. This is the common salt, which you also known as table salt, right?
Yes, sir.
Exactly, common salt, or we also call it as common salt or table salt or rock salt. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So all these halogens, you have to just count how many halogen atoms are there. So that will be your valency. For example, I told that if I'm having, let's say, I'm having hydrofluoric acid. So if I have to tell here the valency of this fluorine, so what is the valency?
So
valence-
1, sir.
Exactly, it will be 1 because it is attached with only one hydrogen atom, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have to just count the number of hydrogen atoms. For example, if I will write magnesium hydride, that is the formula is like this, MgH2. So what is the valency of this magnesium?
2.
So
Exactly.
2.
Exactly, it is valency will be 2 because there are 2 hydrogen atoms attached to this magnesium, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, so simply you have to count either number of hydrogen atoms or number of halogen atoms, or you can also say double the number of oxygen atoms. So where there is oxygen, you have to take it as double.
Yes, sir. So once
So
again,
this will be, yes, this will be clear when I will give the example. For example, if I'm having lithium fluoride, so you have to tell the valency of lithium.
Sir, 1, sir.
Exactly, there is one fluorine. So if I will write, let's say SiF4, silicon tetrafluoride, what is the valency of silicon?
4.
Oh,
Exactly, it will be
4,
4, isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Simply you have to just see that how many halogen atoms are there. See, in case of lithium fluoride, there is only 1, so valence will be 1. In case of lithium, in case of silicon tetrafluoride, there are 4 fluorine atoms, so valence will be
Yes,
4.
sir.
So any doubt here? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
no, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No,
So
sir.
can you go to the so can you go to the previous slide?
Yeah, sure. I will go to the previous slide.
So what if there is no halogens or hydrogen atoms in the formula, sir?
Which formula?
Like
Like with carbonates, sir.
For example, if I will write CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. So what is the valency of this carbon?
so T4.
Exactly. See, its valence will be 4 because it is attached with 4 chlorine atoms, right?
Yes. Oh,
Yes.
yes.
It is
Chlorine
simple.
is
It is
also a salt forming halogen, right, sir?
exactly this fluorine, this chlorine, this bromine, this iodine, they are all your halogens. You have to remember they are your halogen. They actually
So what
belong.
about SO4 and SO3?
Those are
So
radicals.
yeah, exactly. We will go through the radicals also. First, this is the basic of this valency. First, note down this, then we will move ahead. We will start from the basic to the advanced concept, right?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you will be able to tell the valency of all these, so not to worry about this.
Yes.
So shall I move to the second page?
So 1 second, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, when it comes to acids, bases, and all, this will be a different, right, sir? Like
Exactly. That is why I am saying that this is the basic definition. Then I will move towards the next higher advanced concept. That's actually in terms of electrons, I will define the valency.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You can go to the next one.
Okay, so in the next, I have written down here methane, CH4. So what will be the valency of this C carbon?
4, sir, because there's 4 atoms of
4
hydrogen.
hydrogens.
Exactly, because there are 4 hydrogen atoms, so valency will be 4.
4.
4.
Next, if I will just write, I'm having BF3, boron trifluoride. So here, what is the valency of this boron?
1.
So 3. 3.
It will be
See,
3. How it can be 1? It is attached.
Oh, okay.
Fluorine is
Sorry.
1. So
Exactly, it is attached with 3 fluorine atoms, so the valency will be 1. Valency will be 3.
3.
Sir, but
Okay.
doesn't bromine also a halogen?
Yeah,
Yeah,
all
but-
these are halogens. I have written down that fluorine, it is a halogen. Bromine, it is also halogen. Chlorine is also
bromine,
halogen.
that's different. So B is not bromine, right, sir?
Br, it is bromine. Yeah.
Yeah. Like,
So, but it,
okay. Yeah.
so, oh, this boron, sir. B
This
of
is
Sorry,
boron
boron,
here. Yes,
bo-
yeah. You have to
boron.
tell the.
Oh, I was confused because of Sankalp, sir.
Okay, no problem. I have already told you the symbols of these elements up to calcium. So boron, its symbol
Yes,
is B.
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So I hope that you will revise all of these, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, up to calcium, you should be able to write the.
Yes, sir. I do remember, sir. Atomic number and the mass number.
Exactly, atomic number and the mass number. Okay. So can you now tell me what will be the valency of this aluminum?
Sir, 3.
Exactly.
No, wait.
its val-
Yeah, 3.
Yeah, simple. It is very easy to tell. You have to just count the number of halogens. So chlorine is here halogen. So we are having 3 chlorine atoms. So valency will be 3.
Yes.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, then can you now tell me in terms of oxygen? For example, if I will write magnesium oxide, so you have to tell me the valency of magnesium.
Sir, 2, because
sir.
it's double
2.
the number of oxygen.
Exactly, it will be 2 because you have to double the number of oxygen atoms. Just as I told here, it is the number of halogen atoms, number of hydrogen atoms, but double the number of oxygen atoms,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
So, but when it comes to H2, so the valency of hydrogen will come 4.
No. First tell me the valency of oxygen. So what will be the valency of
2.
oxygen?
2.
Exactly, because it is attached with 2 hydrogen atoms. So valency will be 2. Now what
Yes,
will
sir,
be the
but there are
valency
2
of...
hydrogen atoms, right? So the
Yeah,
valency
exactly.
becomes
There are
4.
2 hydrogen atoms, so the valency of oxygen will be 2. But now you have to tell me the valency of hydrogen here.
Be 1,
2.
but I don't know how.
Valency will be 1.
Yeah, that's
It
what I know it's 1, but I don't know how.
Okay,
Yes,
I will
but,
tell you.
You
How?
told it should be double the ox.
Exactly, it should be double. Okay, I will tell you. See, if I will write this Na2O, sodium oxide, compare this. This was magnesium oxide. There was 1 magnesium atom and 1 oxygen atom. So you just
Oh,
Yes.
the
double.
2 and 2 cancels out, sir.
Yeah, you can just say like this. We are having 2 sodium atoms. If it was like this, if it was NaO, then the valency of sodium will be 2, right?
2, yes, sir.
Yes.
Exactly, but it is not NaO, it is Na2O. Are you getting? It is
Oh, so the valency of oxygen and the valency of this thing
Exact.
will.
Sodium will get cancelled.
yes, it will be now reduced. So 2, that is half, that is 1. Valency will be 1 here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but
So that
we write the
Hmm.
valency as 1, but we don't cancel the 2 in Na2 in sodium oxide in Na2O.
We do
Yes.
cancel it.
See, actually, oxygen, its valency is 2, but sodium, its valency is always 1.
So when we take both separately, it'll be Na valency
Okay.
1,
Okay.
O
Okay.
valency 2. When you switch them, it'll be Na2O.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Na2O.
Okay, if you are having still confusion, no problem. I will give more examples. It will be clear to all of you, no problem. For example, if you have to tell me what is the valency of zinc here, so can you tell me?
So 2.
So
Exactly.
2.
Exactly, you have to double the number of oxygen atom. But if I will write H2 Hg2O, that is your mercurous oxide, what will be the
So
valence of
1.
mercury? Yeah.
1.
So this is very important, which you have to note down, that when metal atoms, they are 2, at that time it will be valency 1. So what will be the
Yes,
valency
sir.
of carbon here?
So
So
1.
if there's
See, I
if
mean,
there's
the
a
4.
if there's a number between the metal and the oxide, the valency will be 1. Whereas
No,
if
when
there's a
it's
number,
2 or less. No, when it's 2
When it is
alone.
2, when it is not only necessary that it should be metal. For example, this is water. In water, it is hydrogen, so its valency will
So
be
it'll be
also
1. So when
Okay.
it's 2, it'll be 1. When
Yeah.
it's except everything will be different.
Exactly. When there is
Okay.
only one.
so for the rest, so for the rest, we just have to double it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
For the rest, you have to double it.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. For example, here in case of carbon dioxide, there are 2 oxygen atoms, so it is double is 4, so valence will be 4.
4. Yes. Sir.
So any doubt here?
No,
sir.
sir.
So there is one more, that's Nitesh is not responding.
Sir, me?
No, sir. It's me. It's me.
Okay.
I am.
Are you responding?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you called me, sir?
Okay, that's great then.
So Nitish
Okay.
has been talking the whole time.
So let's move ahead. So now I hope that you can now tell the valency of any element, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
For example, if it is just like this, Al2O3. Oh, this is now very important. I hope now you can solve this. What will be the valency
Sir,
of
3,
aluminium?
sir.
Exactly, it will be
Because
3.
oxygen is 2 and the aluminium, they both switch out their valencies, so it will be 3.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you. See, what is oxygen? The oxygen are 3, so it is double will be 6, right?
6.
Yes, sir.
But if it was only one aluminum, then it will be 6. But it is Al2, so you have to divide it by 2, so valence will be 3. Clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Any doubt here?
So
No.
So with these type of formulas, we have to like divide the.
Exactly, you had to take it half. You had to yes,
Okay.
divide it by 2.
Yes, sir.
So any question here? Is it now clear to all
No.
of you?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I mean, yes,
It's
sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay, that's great. So can you tell me then the valency of silicon dioxide? Silicon
So
here.
it's
Sir, 4.
4.
Exactly, it will be 4. So is it clear to all of you? This was what
Yes,
is
sir.
actually valency in terms of hydrogen, in terms of oxygen, and in terms of halogen, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, if I will write sulfur hexafluoride, what will be the valency of the sulfur?
Sir, 6.
So sulfur.
Yeah, it will be 6, right?
No,
So
yeah,
what
yeah,
is
6.
FB?
It is SF6. So sulfur is
Oh.
S, then F is the fluorine. It is the halogen.
Sir, but sulfur's valency is not 6, it's 2, right, sir?
Sulfur, see, actually, there are some elements in the periodic table which show variable valency. Variable means which show more than one valency.
Oh, so sulfur has more than one.
We
Exactly,
didn't learn
exactly.
sulfur in
We didn't
variable
learn.
valency.
Okay.
So sulfur, for example, I have earlier told you that in case of SiF4, what is the valency of sulfur, silicon?
4.
Uh,
4, sir.
yeah, 4.
Exactly. So if I will just write SF4, that is sulfur tetrafluoride, what will be the valency of sulfur?
So 4.
4.
Exactly. So that means that sulfur can show either 2, it can show 4, it can show 6 valency also.
So, but some like if you take Sodium doesn't have variable valency. So if
Exactly.
I do NaF4, will the valency of sodium be 4, or is that not possible?
No, that is not possible. So I will just, you have not to worry. I will just write the valency of all the elements up to calcium. So let's start with the hydrogen. So hydrogen,
So-
it belongs to the group first. It has always valency 1. So is
One.
it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The next element is helium.
So it's 2. I mean, yeah.
Yeah,
It's
atomic number
very-
is 2. Exactly. So that means it is valency is but 0.
Yes,
It's a
sir.
noble gas. No, do you know what a noble gas is?
Yes, sir. Found it in
They
the traces of
They don't
air.
have any valency.
Yeah, they are found in trace amounts in the
Like
atmosphere,
they are
and they are
neutral in charge.
they are neutral. Exactly.
They don't
have
react
oxid-
with other.
They have
elements.
completed
They're
their
stable.
offsets. They are
Sir.
stable, and hence they are very less reactive, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So did you
I'll
show an
write-
example where compound has 3 elements?
Which one example?
Did you show any example of
Aluminium 2O3.
the
You can-
compound with
yeah,
3 elements?
It's already written here, aluminum Al2O3.
Yeah,
No,
yes,
sir,
sir.
he's-
It
he's
has 2
asking
elements.
He's
No.
asking a compound with 3 elements, sir.
Like
3 elements.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can you show him a
Um,
compound with 3 elements in it?
You can say methanol.
Okay, that's your just like this CH3OH.
No, but methanol is not 3 elements, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, it has
Maybe-
carbon, hydrogen, oxygen.
Yes. Oh, I was right.
so for 3 elements, you add the rest 3 except the halogen or oxygen.
No,
Or-
see, in that hydrogen and oxygen is a radical, right, sir? So I think your voice is breaking.
Wait, what is the formula for methanol?
CH3OH.
CH3OH.
So in this OH will
Yeah,
form
OH is
hydroxide,
a
which is,
radical, right,
radical,
sir?
right, sir?
Hydroxide.
So
So I think your voice is breaking. We can't hear you. So we can't hear you, sir.
so it's loading in the screen share you see. I think propanol is a perfect thing for 3 elements. C3H7OH. It has 3 elements.
We'll
That's
try
the element.
So your
So-
voice is breaking a lot.
again.
Excuse me.
Hmm.
Bruh, I love it.
Now I'm the host.
Bruh, it's no way. Yes, sir.
Wait, I'm
Is
still
my
the
voice
host.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So what we were discussing, we were just discussing that in case of
Are you speaking, sir?
actually I can't share the screen. There is some just wait. You are not-
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay, so is now whiteboard visible to all of you?
Yes, it's. Oh, yes, sir, I can see.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what was your question? In case of methanol, what was your question? CH3OH.
No, sir, he said Three elements in a single.
So he said 3 elements, sir. So, but
Compound.
isn't OH a radical of hydroxide?
Exactly, here we are having just, if we will just ionize this, it will be OH negative. See, actually, how to tell the valency of carbon here in this methanol? It is just like this. Carbon has actually formed 4 bonds, 3 bonds it has formed with the 3 hydrogen atom, and 1 bond it is formed with the oxygen atom. So it's
Oxygen.
yeah, exactly. So that means its combining capacity that is same. So its valency will be 4. It has formed the 4 bonds, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is some noise coming. I hope that yes, some.
So, but isn't
it, sir?
methanol a compound? Compounds don't have valency.
We're
Okay,
not
sorry,
talking the
sorry,
valency
sorry,
of the
sorry.
whole compound.
Yeah, it's the valency
Single
of
element.
carbon.
There's no valency
See.
for a whole compound.
Yeah, valency will be for all the elements. It is not only for one. So here carbon, it has formed the 4 bonds, so its valence will be 4. So oxygen,
Yes,
it has
sir.
formed the 2 bonds, so its valence will be 2. Hydrogen, it has formed only 1 bond, so its valence will be 1. Correct?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You can just
So-
mute your voice.
Means
Yeah, now it's
So, but bonding with oxygen means into 2, right? So, hydrogen should become 2, right?
no, it has formed
it's
only
the
1
number
bond.
of bonds.
It has only formed 1 bond with the oxygen, so its valency will be 1.
So, but you said if it bonds with oxygen, it has to do double.
Not here in this organic compound, it is just different case.
Okay.
It is actually an organic compound which contains the covalent bonds, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you just first remember the valency of all the elements up to calcium, then it will be very easy for you. So I told that for hydrogen, its valency is 1. For helium, its valency is 0.
0.
For yeah, exactly. Lithium atomic number 3, its
It's
valency is
also
also
3.
no,
I mean
it's
1.
1.
Sorry.
Valency is 1. You have
Sorry,
to remember
sir.
this. Okay, no problem. Beryllium, its atomic number is 4, but its valency is 2. Then we are having boron, its atomic number is 5, valency is 3. Then carbon, its valency is 4. Then we're having nitrogen, then its valency is 3. Oxygen, its valency is 2. Then we are having fluorine, its valency will be 1. Then we're having neon, it's also a noble gas, so its valency will be 0. Noble gases have 0 valency, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is very important, and
Yes,
I hope
sir.
you will remember this.
Yes, sir.
So have you noted down these? Shall we move ahead?
So I'm writing so once.
Okay, just write down this, note down this.
Finish.
Yes, sir. Finish, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after neon, we are having the sodium.
Sodiums.
Exactly.
So
its
what's for
atomic number is
neon? I forgot. It's 0,
Neon
right?
is 0.
0, 0. That is a noble gas, 0. So for
Yes,
sodium,
sir.
its at valency is also 1. It's
1.
also
1.
free metal. Yeah.
Mg is 2, right?
Yes. Then we are having the magnesium. Its
3.
atomic number is 2.
Aluminium 3, sir.
Yeah. Aluminum, it will be 3. Its valence will be 3.
Dash.
எங்க கவனிக்கிறேன் கரெக்டா தான் இது பண்றேன்.
Then we have
You
silicon. Its
unmuted.
Sir,
valence is
4. 4.
Phosphorus 15.
Phosphorus is 15.
It can show valency 3 as well as 5. So that's why it can show both the valency. So it shows variable valency,
Yes, sir. 3 and
right?
3
5,
and
sir.
3 and 5.
Okay.
3
Sir,
and
but
5.
how can it show a variable valency of 5, sir?
Okay, I will tell you. See,
3
just
and 5.
3 or 5. For example, in case of PCl3, so tell me what is the valency of phosphorus here?
3, sir. Phosphorus is 3.
It's known as phosphorus trichloride. Then if I will write PCl5, this compound also exists. So it's phosphorus pentachloride. What
Yes,
will be
sir.
the it will be
5,
5.
sir.
Right? Exactly.
Yes, sir.
It can show both the valencies because its atomic number is 15. So its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 5. So since it has valence electron is 5, so it can show valency up to 5. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we will see this electronic configuration ahead, so not to worry. So then after phosphorus, we are having sulfur, atomic number 16. So its
So
valency is
16.
basically 2. Yes, exactly, 16.
So the sulfur, it's a variable valency, right? So you said it will come 2 and
Yeah. Yeah, it can
4.
show the oxidation state 4, also it can show also 6. So, but usually it is 2.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, just for example, I will give you the example. If it is just like this, hydrogen sulfide, H2S, what will be the valency of this sulfur?
So 2.
Exactly. So after sulfur, we are having chlorine, right? Chlorine,
Yes,
atomic
sir.
number
It was
7.
1, sir. So the
Yeah,
valency will be
usually-
1, right, sir?
yeah, valency will be 1 halogens, usually 1. Okay, then we are having
Yes.
argon, atomic number 18. It's a noble
0.
gas. Exactly,
Yes,
it is
sir.
0. Potassium, 19 atomic number.
So 1.
Exactly. Then calcium, atomic number 20.
So 2.
So can you now remember these valencies up to calcium? This is very important.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I hope that you will keep note of this and you will remember these, because with the
Yes,
help
sir.
of valency, you can tell the formula of the compound of the molecule ahead. This will be very important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
So
then
you
we
might
have
waiting for us. Like, could you go to
Yes.
the previous slide?
Okay, previous slide is this one.
Yeah, yes. One sec.
Sure.
So when adding 2 halogens, will the formula will be correct, sir?
With what?
2 halogens as a compound, will the valency still be right, sir?
Okay, I will
Like
tell you.
chlorine and fluorine, maybe. I don't think that's possible.
Yeah, that's also possible. For
Oh.
example, if you will write like this, ClF3, it is chlorine fluoride, then you have to just to tell the valency of chlorine will be 3 here, but that of fluorine, it will be 1.
Oh, so chlorine also shows variable valence.
Sir,
So,
now
Mhm.
if
Yes,
you
sir.
ask what's the valency, what are we supposed to say?
The most common one.
Yeah, you have to remember the most common one, just as I told you that for sulfur it's 2, for chlorine it's usually 1.
Both ferrite and fluoride is halogens.
Yes, fluoride is also a halogen. Just if I will write calcium fluoride, that is CaF2, calcium valency, it will be 2. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So this was regarding valency. Now, with the help of this valency, you can just to tell the formula of compound or formula of the molecules. So let's
Yes, sir.
see this one, formula of compounds. So what will be the formula? See how to tell the formula. So if I will write sodium and chlorine. So what is the valency of sodium? It's 1, right?
So Na2. Oh, yeah, the valency of thing is 1.
Exactly. Chlorine, its valency is also 1,
2.
right?
So it will be
1, 1.
Na2Cl.
No,
Oh,
chlorine
wait. Oh,
valence
no,
is
no.
also 1.
NaCl. NaCl. Sorry, sir. It'll form rock
So you will just,
common salt.
yes, you will just crisscross now. So it will be Na1, Cl1. So that's where NaCl, right?
Yes, sir.
So if now you have to tell the formula of magnesium chloride, that is MgCl. So
So
magnesium is
Mg. So
2, valence
MgCl2.
is 2. Exactly, chlorine, its valence is 1. Then you will just crisscross. So it will be now Mg1Cl2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Mg1Cl2, sir.
So any
Or
doubt here?
MgCl2. No, sir.
Exactly, MgCl2 will be the correct. So then if I will write aluminum and chlorine, its valence is
So
3, right?
AlCl3. Yes, sir.
Exactly. Then you have to crisscross, so it will be AlCl3.
Yes,
So
sir.
can you tell me the valency of a compound which contains silicon and phosphorus?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, okay.
So is that fluorine, sir?
Yes,
Sir,
fluorine and
SiF4,
silicon.
sir.
Yes, silicon has valency 4, then you will just crisscross. So it will be now Si.
SiF4.
Exactly, it will be
F4.
SiF4.
Yes.
SiF. Can you tell me the formula of a compound which contains, let's say, aluminum and sulfur?
Sir, it'll be Al. Wait. Sir, it'll be Al2S3, sir.
Exactly, Al2S3. Got it? Any doubt here? You have to just remember the valency, then you can tell the formula of the compound, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So when
Yeah.
adding, oh wait, no. Okay, nothing, sir. Nothing.
Yeah, it's very simple. So for example, if I will just tell you that you have to tell the formula of magnesium and oxygen, compound which contains magnesium and oxygen.
MgO.
Yeah, it is Mg, its valency is 2, oxygen valency is also 2. So 2 is
So
to 2, that is
Mg2. See, I
one.
mean MgO.
Yeah, it will be MgO,
Yes, sir.
because 2 is to 2, that is 1 is to 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Very easy to tell. And then for example, if you have to tell the valency of, let's say, this one compound, we are having silicon and oxygen. So just tell me.
So it'll be Si4O. No, wait. Si2O4, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
So you're on mute. Sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the formula?
So Si2O4, sir.
See, silicon, its valency is what?
4, sir.
Okay, what is the valency of oxygen? 2.
2. Yes, sir.
So then you will just crisscross. So what will
Crisscross. Sir, can I also write Si O2, sir?
So see, first you have to write Si2O4, but you have to take the simple ratio. So simple
Yes,
ratio.
sir.
it will be-
SiO2.
Exactly, this is the correct. This one
Yes,
is
sir.
not. the
That's what
correct.
I am. Yes, sir.
So sorry,
Right,
sir. We
okay.
had a power cut, sir.
Okay, no problem, but be cautious in the next class. You have to actually keep the charging battery full of charge, isn't it?
So no, sir. Like there's actually not a phone. There's my computer. So there's directly connected to the UPS. So if that turns off, this will automatically turn off.
Okay, no problem. So just have a focus here. We are just telling the formula of compound from the valency. So you have to just crisscross. For example, if I will tell you
Yes,
that you
sir.
have to write the formula of phosphorus and chlorine. Let's say phosphorus, its valency is, let's say,
Sir,
3.
2. No,
and
wait.
1.
3. Okay, sir.
So what will be the formula?
Sir,
Crisscross.
PCl3. PCl3.
Exactly. Yeah, very easy. PCl3. So if I write just this carbon and similarly oxygen. So carbon
what,
its
sir?
valence is 4.
I can't.
Oxygen.
Sir, 4 CO4. Wait. CO2. CO2.
Exactly, it will be CO2 because I told you had to take the simple ratio, simplest ratio.
Simplified. Yes, sir.
See, first it will be C2O4.
Okay, so we
but-
have to take the ratio, sir.
Yeah,
See,
yeah, that is-
CO. No, wait. C2O4.
So it's 2:4, 1:2.
Simplify.
Exactly, 1:2. That means C1O2, that is CO2, simply.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are having any molecule, you have first to see that whether it can be simplified or not. If it can be simplified, then you have to tell this, you have to write the simplest ratio, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for example, if you have to tell the formula of sodium oxide, that is, it contains sodium and oxygen. So what will be the
So
formula?
Na2O,
Sodium-
sir.
So
Na2O.
yeah,
Na2O.
Exactly.
yeah, it's
Na2O.
Na2O.
Okay, so I hope that now you can write the formula of any compound or any molecule, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for example, if you have to tell nitrogen and hydrogen, so what will be the formula?
3.
Sir, Na2O3, sir. Oh, wait. Hydrogen?
Hydrogen,
Yeah.
its valence is 1 and nitrogen,
Yeah,
its valence is
NH3.
2.
So NH3 will form ammonia, sir.
Exactly. This is
Ammonium.
the
Yeah,
Ammonium.
ammonia. No,
It is
No,
ammonia.
ammonium.
No,
Ammonium.
it's only
Ammonium.
ammonia.
Ammonium. Ammonia is
Ammonia?
NH4. How?
Ammonium, sir. It's ammonium, right, sir?
No. This one is ammonium. NH4 positive, it is known as ammonium.
Sir, that's what I said. NH3 is ammonium.
No,
NH3 is
MH,
ammonia.
NH3 is ammonia.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to remember that
So if
NH3.
it's NH4, that means the valency of nitrogen is 4.
Yeah, here it is 4
It's
in
a-
case
no,
of ammonium.
It's a
It's actually a
variable
radical.
valency.
We have not
So
yet.
is nitrogen a
NH4
variable
is a
valency?
radical.
I
No, it's a
told
radical.
that.
That's why it's different.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just be patient. We will study each and everything. This ammonium, it is a radical. We have not yet studied the radicals, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It was just I told here because you were saying this as ammonium. So this is only NH3 is ammonia. This one is ammonium, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then if you have to tell the formula of a compound which contains potassium and chlorine.
Sir, KCl.
Exactly.
Wait, K.
KCl, because both
So
have
it's
one
KCl.
valence.
K. Both
Yes, so
one positive, one negative. K positive.
Exactly.
K one positive. Cl one negative.
Exactly. On the base of charge, you can also say the formula, and on the base of valency, you can also tell.
Yes.
Then let us
Yes,
see
sir.
now the radicals, right? Let's move towards the radical ion.
Yes, sir.
So first, let's see the simple ion. For example, if it is like this, F negative fluoride, this is known as fluoride ion, bromide ion, and this will be your iodide ion, right?
Iodide.
Iodine. The halogens.
Iodide, not dyne.
Io-
Iodide. This is your fluoride.
Iodide only.
Yeah. This is known as fluoride ion. This is known as iodide
Fluoride,
ion.
chloride, bromide, iodine, oxide,
Exactly. Fluoride,
Sir, but
bromide, iodide.
Chloride
nitride,
and
nitride.
Okay,
chloride
first
and
is
chlorine is all same.
this is any
So, but
positive.
isn't nitride also there?
I will write all these, just to be patient. So now
Yes,
in case
sir.
of cation, we are having any positive Cl positive, Li positive, lithium ion, potassium ion, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is some again background noise coming. I hope you will just keep okay.
Nitish, sir, from
Okay, so
Nitish.
now, yeah, so just I was just saying that in case of these fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, what will be the valency? Valency will be 1 because they have only one negative charge, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then in case of any positive, Li positive, K positive, what will
Valency
be the
will
valency?
also be 1.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's see which have two negative charge. For example, if I will write SO4 2 negative, this is known as sulfate ion, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sulfate. So what is the valency here? 2.
Negative
Sir,
2.
Yeah,
2
negative.
negative.
But if I will write like this, NO2 negative, so this is known as nitrate ion, right?
Yes, sir.
What will be the valency here? 1.
So
1.
3.
So 3.
Nitrogen is
Oh,
3,
it's
right?
okay.
Sir?
Okay.
Not
No.
nitrogen, it is
This
nitrate.
is
Oh, the nitrate. Oh, okay, it's 1. I mean 1. Yeah,
1.
1.
It's 1.
There is only one negative charge, so valency is 1.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, then if I will write phosphate ion,
Sir, it's 2, sir. No way.
So it's
It is 2, sir. It is 2.
It's
it
negative
is
3.
3. Negative 3,
Oh.
there is 3 negative charge, so valency will be 3. It is very simple.
Yes, sir.
If I will write this CO3 2 negative, that is your carbonate ion.
It is negative 2.
Yes, sir.
Carbonate ion, so its valency will also be here 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if I will write just like this, if it is NO2 negative, this is known as nitrite
It's a
ion.
nitrite.
So what will be the valency? 1.
1 minus.
Yes, it is there negative charge only
Sir,
1.
this
so
will
valency-
also be 1 minus, sir.
So then we are having this sulfite ion.
Yes, sir.
First of all-
Sulfate. Oh wait, no, sulfite. Sorry, sorry.
Sulfite. So valency will be 2.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Next, I'm writing here. Now, if it is like this one, NH4 positive, this is known as ammonium ion. So, what will be the valency? It will be 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simply, you have to see how much charge is there on the molecule. If it is only +1, so that means charge will be, valence will be 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Then if I will write this as 2 negative, this one as sulfide.
So it's -2.
F2.
Yeah, so valence will be 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
but
I hope that, yeah,
so you should not put
So we've
the-
learned this in 8 standards, sir.
you have to remember these, yes. Nitrite
Yes,
and
sir.
2 negative.
It
Sir.
will be 2, sir. I mean 3. It will be 3.
Yes, tell me. Is anybody having any question here? Any doubt?
Sir, like when you write the valency, you should not include whether it's a positive or a negative.
You
In
should.
valence, you have not to write the
No, you write
negative or
it like
positive sign.
nitrite, you have written valency as 3, but you have written as negative.
And see, negative, it is known as nitride ion. So here you have to show the charge, but in case of valency, you have not to show the negative or positive charge. You have just write the number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then can you tell me the formula of the compound which contains magnesium and nitrate?
Sir?
So magnesium, its valence is 2, and nitrate, its valence is 1, right? So after
So
this class,
magnesium nitrate.
it will be MgNO3 whole twice. Are you getting?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. Because the valency of Mg goes to the whole of NO3,
Mm-hmm.
and 1 will be like, you don't need to show 1.
Tharun, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me then the formula of calcium phosphate if I will write calcium and PO4?
PO4. Sir, it is
Calcium
C.
valence is two.
Sir, it is Ca.
So calcium
No.
is 2, potassium
Sir,
that
it's
no wait,
Ca3
in that
PO4
phosphorus.
whole.
Ca3 PO
Sir,
the whole.
yeah, that's what I
P
told. That's what I
the whole.
told.
That's all, sir.
Thrice. It's
Exact-
thrice.
Yes, it will be calcium Ca2, then PO4 whole thrice, right?
Yes, sir, that's what
Sir,
I told.
how is it Ca2, sir? It should be
Sir, it's
Ca3 PO4
it's
twice.
Ca3. Yeah,
That's what
I
it's
I
Ca3
said.
PO4 twice.
Sorry. So it will be definitely Ca3 PO4 whole twice.
Yes, sir.
So it is known as calcium phosphate.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me the formula of magnesium sulfate?
Sir, Mg. Oh wait, magnesium what? Oh, okay, sir. Mg2SO. No wait, MgSO4 twice.
No, it will be only MgSO4.
No, it's
because
MgSO4.
what?
Both of
Sir,
their valency
my-
is
Sir,
1.
sir,
Sir,
sir.
how is
Sir?
magnesium
Magnesium
2?
is,
Magnesium is
valency
2,
is
right,
2.
sir?
Exactly, magnesium, its valency is 2. Okay, what is the valency of sulfate?
Sir, are
It's
you
also 2.
testing
Sir,
us?
1. Sir, 1, sir.
Yes, I am just giving it
How?
so that you will be
SO4
confident.
is 2. It's -2.
Yeah, it is
It's
negative 2.
sulfate.
I thought it was hydrogen sulfur. Oh, sorry, sir.
I
I thought it was
told-
hydrogen sulfur.
MgSO4.
I told that you have to simplify the ratio. It is 2:2, so that is 1:1, right?
Sir, I
Right,
thought it was
yes, sir, but-
bisulfates.
Exactly. It's so magnesium sulfate, it will be MgSO4. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me the formula of sodium carbonate?
Sir, Sir, it's sodium carbonate or bicarbonate?
Sir,
or carbonate.
Na
Sir,
is one carbonate
NaCO3
is
twice.
2 minus.
No, wait.
It is
Na2CO3.
It is Na2CO3. Yeah.
I said
Exactly.
first. Yeah.
Na2CO3.
You crisscross the
Yeah.
valence.
Yes, you have to just crisscross, so it will be Na2CO3. This is your sodium carbonate. So okay,
Yes, sir.
another radical, another ion which you will remember here, that is the bicarbonate ion. So somebody told it here.
Yes,
so
sir.
it's the
HCO3.
bicarbonate.
HCO3 is HCO3 1 minus.
Yeah, HCO3 1 minus.
So what will be the valence of this
Bisulfite.
One
Sir,
minus.
sir, 1 minus.
Exactly. So okay, tell me the formula of magnesium bicarbonate.
Sir,
So magnesium, what?
magnesium.
Say Mg2s.
Sir, no,
Mg
it's
HCO3 twice.
HCO3 whole twice.
That's what
It
I
will
said.
be
I said first. Yes.
So
HSO3.
MgHCO3 whole twice.
You don't
It's
speak,
whole
Nitish.
twice. Sir. It's only
You
twice.
don't speak, I'll
Yeah,
tell the
I'm
answer.
speaking. Why? I'll tell the answer.
So have you got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
can you tell me the formula of sodium nitride? It is NO2,
So
not
Sir,
nitride.
NO3.
Sir,
Nitride or nitrate?
It is not
Sir,
nitrate. it is
nitride.
Sir,
So,
Na
yes,
is
sir.
1 plus, NO2
Language
is
of-
1 minus,
Two.
so it is
No, it's 1
NaNO2.
minus.
It's
NaNO2.
NaNO2. I
Bruh.
said first.
It'll be Na2 got both.
So this one is known as sodium nitrite.
Sir, but
And this
nitrate is okay, Leo.
NaNO3 will be known as sodium
Son,
nitrate.
no sodium nitrate.
Exactly. So confusion should be clear here. That in case of NO2 it
Yes,
is
sir.
nitrite, and in case of NO3 it is nitrate.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, then
No,
can you
sir.
tell me the formula of calcium carbonate?
The carbonate, okay, calcium is 2, carbonate
Sir,
is
carbonate is 2
Carbonate
minus.
is 2 minus. So
CaCO3.
CaCO3.
I said first.
I said first.
Hey, what do
Okay.
you mean, bruh?
Stealing
No
your wins.
problem. You all
Bruh.
did it. It is CaCO3
Yes, sir.
because 2:2, that is 1:1, right?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Okay, 2:2, that is 1:1. Then can you tell me the formula of magnesium nitride? It
So
is
magnesium
nitride.
is
So
so magnesium is 2, nitride is
Mg2,
NO2,
sir,
so it is
MgNO2,
MgNO2.
I said
No.
first.
It will be
Sir,
Sir, you
MgNO3.
said nitrite.
So you said nitrite, sir.
It is magnesium nitride.
Sir, we heard it as nitrite,
Nitrite.
sir.
Sorry, sir,
ITE.
my bad.
Okay, no problem. See how to remove the confusion. When it is NO,
So I
So
think you
muted
muted.
yourself. So you muted, sir.
Sankalp.
Yes.
You may be better than me in physics, but I'm better than you in chemistry. No answers. I think I am the clear winner.
No, we are not.
audible.
Bruh. Yes, sir.
Okay, NO2, I told it is known as nitrite.
Yes, sir.
NO3,
Sir,
it
we
is known
heard
as
as nitrite, sir. We heard as nitrite. NITRITE.
Sir,
It is
my
not
headphones are
what
too
you
sensitive,
heard.
sir.
See, why you are so much confused? When it is only nitrogen, that means it is your nitrite. Simply.
Yes, sir.
Sir, that only applies for nitrogen, the nitrite,
When it is
nitrate.
Nitrogen and
when it is-
nitride is the same thing.
No, like nitrite and nitrate.
That's a different. It's a
That is
radical or
different.
ion.
Nitrate, it contains 3 oxygen atoms. Nitrite, it contains 2 oxygen atoms, and nitride, it contains no oxygen atom at
It
all.
contains no oxygen atom.
Right?
So, but still the valence is 3, sir.
Yeah, citizen
Yeah.
valence is there, exactly. Okay, now tell me the formula of a compound which contains zinc and bicarbonate.
Sir,
Sir, it's ZnHCO3 twice, sir.
sir, did you ask like
It's
what's the
ZnHCO.
compound
Wait, what?
name?
Is it
Sir,
NHCO?
bicarbonate
Sir,
is
it's
one.
bicarbonate is 1.
I said
Sir,
first,
is
I said
it
the answer already.
Is it NHCO3 the whole twice?
to the 2. Whole twice.
It will be ZnHCO3 whole twice, right?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, can you tell me the formula of calcium chloride then?
Sir,
Sir, it is
CaCl2.
Sir, it's CaCl2.
Exactly. it
Sir,
is. Can you tell me the formula of calcium nitrate?
Sir, it is
NO3.
Ca.
Nitrate. Sir,
Sir,
CaNO3 twice.
it's
No, yeah,
no,
CaNO3
it's
twice.
Ca3NO2. NO3.
That's what I
twice.
said. No, it's CaNO3 twice.
It
No,
is CaNO3 whole twice.
L.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I hope that you will remember the valency and then after you can tell the formula of compound, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I will just write here aluminum sulfate, what will be the formula?
Sir, aluminum is
aluminum sulfate.
So aluminum
Al-
is 3, sulfate is negative,
Al2SO4
Al2SO4 3.
thrice.
Exactly.
That's what
It's
I said.
SO4 thrice.
SO3 threads.
You
SO4.
said wrong, uncle. It's not SO4 3. It's SO4 thrice.
You find out the valency from me and get the
No,
formula.
now
you
tell me
didn't say anything.
aluminum nitrate.
Say Al and I mean Al2 NO. No, Al NO3
A-
twice.
Al3
No,
NO3.
thrice.
Exactly. AlNO3 whole thrice.
Yes, sir.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I will just tell aluminum phosphate.
Sir,
AlPO4,
Al4PO3.
Al.
AlPO4.
Sir, Al3PO4 whole thrice.
No,
Whole
there is
thrice.
no.
No,
Oh,
it's
okay.
three. AlPO4. So can you tell me the valency of PO4? Sir, I forgot.
PO4 it is 3. Its
Negative
valency
3.
is 3. It is 3 negative. 3
Negative.
negative. That is 3.
Oh yeah, no I see. Okay.
Okay. So 3 is to 3. That is 1 is to 1. So that is your AlPO4, right?
Yes, sir.
So then can you tell me the formula of aluminum nitride? It is only nitrogen.
Nitride. Sir, ALN.
Sir,
ALN.
ALN.
Exactly. ALN. So I hope that now you have gone, right? You have got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me the formula of lithium oxide?
Sir, Li.
Sir, Li2.
Li2O.
Sir, LiO.
4. Li2O. I mean Li2O.
Li.
Li2O. I was right. Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Sir,
lithium
you said
oxide.
lithium was 0, right? Oh wait, no.
No,
That's
I told you
helium.
lithium
Sorry.
valence is 1.
Sorry, that's helium. Sir, well, if we combine like any element with 0 valency like helium oxide like that, it's not
Helium does
possible.
not. No. Helium does
How
not
can
form
it
any
react
oxide.
with
That is inert. That is noble gas.
Oh,
helium,
yeah.
It can't react with any metal or
That can't
non-metal.
react with oxygen.
Non-reactive.
So that is why helium, its valence is 0. So okay, tell me the formula of calcium sulfide, calcium and sulfur.
Sulfide.
Calcium is
Sir,
2.
it's
Sir, sulfide. Sir,
CaS2.
Sir, it is
CaS2.
CaSO.
CS.
CS.
Bruh.
Oh,
It will
it's
be only
sulfide. Okay.
CS. It is sulfide, yeah. Calcium.
Sulfite or sulfide, sir?
It is calcium sulfide.
So
IDE.
chemistry can't be done by pronunciation.
Got it? It is calcium
Yes, sir.
sulfide.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
I'll
can
write
you?
it again.
Okay.
S2 negative, it is known as sulfide.
Sulfide.
Yes, sir.
SO3 2 negative, it is known as
Negate.
sulfide.
SO3 2 minus
SO
sulfide. SO4 2 minus
Sulfide.
sulfate.
Sulfate, right?
Yes, sir.
So Sam,
sir.
as you
Yes.
have just
Sir.
studied nitrite, nitrate and nitrite, and similarly sulfide, sulfite and sulfate.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
then
can you tell the compound and we'll tell what the compound's name is, sir?
Okay. Just tell me the formula of calcium bicarbonate.
Sir, CA,
Sir, CA.
CO3 twice.
Why can't
Sir,
CA?
It is-
CaHCO3
Sir,
twice.
it is CaNO3. That's it.
NO3,
No,
I know.
bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate.
Calcium is so calcium is one,
Two.
Yes.
two, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
bicarbonate is
SO3 is
also.
No,
Bicarbonate
it's
is.
one. Bicarbonate is one.
Sorry.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Bicarbonate is having only one valency, right?
Yeah, sorry.
Yes, I was right. So this is much more challenging, sir.
Yeah, so okay, then can you tell me that of magnesium nitrate, what will be the formula?
Sir,
Nitrate.
nitrate.
MgNO3
MgN.
twice.
MgNO3
MgNO3 twice.
Right.
Whole twice, yeah. Correct.
whole twice, yeah. Yeah.
So can you now tell me the formula of, let's say if we are having, okay, can you tell me the formula of ammonium chloride?
So
Ammonium
NH4,
chloride.
NH4Cl. No,
Exactly.
yeah,
it is
NH4Cl.
correct.
Sir, chloride or chloride?
It's
Both the
chloride.
same thing.
Both is same. Okay, now can you tell me that of ammonium sulfate?
So NH4,
Ammonium
NH4
sulfate.
twice as sulfate. So NH4
whole twice, yeah. SO4. Correct.
twice SO3. No, SO4.
SO4. It is sulfate.
Sir.
Have you got this, or shall I show it?
No, sir, I know, sir, I know.
If you know, okay, I will show it again still. For example, this ammonium, it has valency 1, and sulfate, it has valency 2. So after crisscross, it will be now NH4 whole twice SO4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So I hope that now you got all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is there now any doubt, any confusion in today's lecture?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
So is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now just tell
Quick
me your
refresh.
names again. Can you
Sir,
tell me your name one by
uh,
one? So first tell me the name of this 24 Nitish. What is the name?
Yes, sir. SC Nitish, sir. My name is
S
E Nitish. But I think in the
SE.
registration it's Nitish SC, sir.
S in it. Okay, next one is Sankala.
So my name is Shankar. So
Hmm.
in the registration, it's written D.A. Shankar.
B.A. Sankar. Okay, what is the name of another Tharun?
Yes, sir.
What is your complete name?
Sir,
Written in the registration, what is your complete name?
VM Tarun.
So
VM.
another person is
Yeah, VM Tarun.
Okay, VM.
So a person is absent, so should I say his name?
Okay, just share the question. What question you have?
No, sir, I don't have a question, sir.
Okay, then
Yes.
wish you all the very best. And this is in today's class. See you in the next class. And I hope that you will revise all this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.